What's going on, guys? It's Jordan with the Brantford Exchange, and today I just want to go over what time frames you should be using when you're trading stocks. So first and foremost, you want to ask yourself, am I day trading or swing trading? Day trading is when you buy and sell a stock in the same day, and then swing trading is when you are holding it for an extended period of time. That being said, once you establish that, then you can begin looking at your time frames. We use the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. We have a video going over all of our settings, and we have another video, which I believe it's called The Tools You Need to Invest, that provides a link for this platform. If not, you could just go on the website, type in TD Ameritrade, go on the TD Ameritrade website, type in Thinkorswim platform, and then download it from there. Getting back into the time frames, if you are day trading, so if I say to myself, I want to day trade, you want to look at anything below the 15-minute, 5-day frequency. So these frequencies, some of them are default, some of them are what me and Cole decided that are good when breaking down stocks. So if you guys just want to screenshot that and then you guys could add it into your frequencies, feel free to do that. And then getting back into the day trading part of it, the reason for using such small frequencies while day trading is because you're worried about what it's currently doing. So using the 5-day, 15-minute, that expands it a little bit more than just a day. So it gives me a good idea of what it did over those 5 days. Looking at it, okay, I see it had a really big pullback, a really big sell-off. So it would be a better time to buy than buying, say, at the high of 151. So that just changing the time frame provides me some more information. If I want to day trade, I can look at the 1 day, 1 minute, and then perform my technical analysis just like I would if I was looking at it on a bigger time frame or a smaller time frame. You always want to perform a technical analysis. You always want to look at your indicators, which we'll make videos on all of them. And you want to ask yourself, is it a good buy or maybe not, and then revisit it another time. When you are swing trading, you want to look at anything above the 15-minute, 5-day frequencies. The reason for that is because swing trading, you're going to be holding it for an extended period of time. So you want to know what it's doing. You want to know where it has been moving in the past and where you think it may move in the future. Whereas if you're day trading, you're not really worried about what it's going to do in 10 weeks, a week, or even 3 days after you day trade it because you're worried about that day. Swing trading is different. You are worried about what direction it's going to go within 3 days, 5 days, a week, however long you're going to swing trade it. Another thing I want to point out is that if I am day trading and I'm looking at this frequency, which is the 4-hour, or anything above the 15-minute, 5-day, so if I'm looking at the 30-minute, 10-day, 1-hour, 20-day, 1 day, 1 year, if I'm day trading and looking at them, they provide no significant value to me at all because each one of these candlesticks is 4 hours. So you would look at essentially 6 candlesticks and then decide, am I going to day trade this? Or it just doesn't provide you enough information. Whereas going back, if I look at the 1 day, 1 minute, I have all these candlesticks because every candlestick is a minute. So that is why it is essential to understand what time frame you need to use while you're trading. Going back to the 4-hour, 180-day, this is honestly one of the best time frames to use while swing trading because you have, which once again we'll make another video. This is your SMA line, so it's set to 180-day SMA, and that it's a moving average. It tells you what direction it's been moving over that 180-day period. So if it's trending above that, the overall stock is trending up. I can give you an example. Amazon, before it was currently trending above that, and then the whole market's it hasn't been doing too hot, pulls back, and now it's trending down overall. So you could see overall it's trending up, breaks below that, and now it's trending down. So that's not a good buy. Going back to Shopify, it has potential to break above that. It's been consolidating a lot lately. So looking at that, you could expand that a little bit more. This is the 1 day, 1 year, 1 day. So each candlestick represents a day. Once again, you would keep an eye on this. Do your technical analysis on every time frame. Utilize all of your utilize all your indicators, and then the big part of this is that when you're swing trading, you want to look for previous patterns. So you see a big sell-off, it bounces off this SMA line right here, bounces off that, continues trending up, pulls back, creates a higher low and a higher high, pulls back, and now it's starting to trend down, which makes sense because it is below the SMA line. So that makes sense that it's trending down. So that's just looking at those frequencies for swing trading. Anything above the 15-minute 5-day is ideal for swing trading. Anything below the anything below the 15-minute 5-day is ideal for day trading. So just a little recap. You want to ask yourself, am I day trading or am I swing trading? Then you begin performing your technical analysis on each of the frequencies. And then you just, looking at all the different frequencies gives you a better understanding of better entry points, better exit points, gives you a whole, a broader view of where the stock is moving. And it allows you to be more open-minded when making a trade. So that's pretty much going to do it today. The time frames are pretty simple once you get the hang of it and understand how they work hand in hand. And like I said, short video today. So all the links will be in the description below to our social media and Discord. And then feel free to comment if you have any questions or direct message Cole and I personally. We'll get back to you guys on that. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.